This is the aft sunshade for Yamaha FSH, now available at JetBoatPilot. You know, we have searched the whole web over for years trying to find a great looking aft shade for our FSH, and what I really was looking for specifically was a shade that I could use while the boat is running. So we're out doing 30, 40 mile an hour. I don't have to take the shade down. Passengers in the back are probably already sun-kissed as it is. I want them to be able to have some shade on the way home. So this we found is our good friends at Cycle Springs in Clearwater were making them, and I said, guys, I want to sell your shade. This is the best one I've seen. It is available for obviously the 25-foot FSH like you see here, but also available for all of the other FSH models as well. We'll put a link in the description below so you can find those at our website. Really love the quality. It's exceptionally high-end, all stainless steel, marine-rated stitching, UV-stable materials. Very thoughtfully made, so you can take it apart and stow it easily and put it back together quickly. I want to show you real quick here how to take it down real fast. It's actually very simple. First thing you do is up here on the front, there's a couple of buckles. We just disconnect our buckles. You have one on each side. Once that's disconnected, we'll take the front pouch here where this little zipper pouch is, open it up. We'll grab this pin here and we'll pull the pin. That's going to allow us to kind of take the tension off. Once the tension's off, we'll flex it in, and then the whole assembly comes up and out. So now we can simply take it apart, stow it away in some of our rod holders, and fold up the canvas and stick it inside of a locker. Really super simple. Obviously putting it back together, you just repeat those steps in reverse. This assembly process, set up and tear down, should be similar across all models. As we get more boats in, we'll do more install videos like this, but that's it. Let's go for a run real quick. I'm going to show you how this thing does when we're cruising along. Another thing I really love about this shade, tons of head clearance, but the big thing for me is there's no hold down poles or straps that are in the way. So if I'm out here trying to cast a line, I'm not tangled up with something that's interfering. I think that's huge. If I'm swimming or hanging out with the family, I'm not tripping over things. It's one less thing to manage, which I think is just great. Plus, who wants to have a pole in your eyesight when you're trying to look at that beautiful beach out there? As I mentioned, when you're cruising along with this thing deployed, we're doing 30 mile an hour right now. It's not flopping, not flapping. I think that's great. We can punch it up to 40. Check out the speedometer here. Well, that's it. I guess the proof's in the pudding here. This thing does well. We're doing 40 mile an hour and the thing's just not flapping. It's doing great. Really love this. Again, you can find this in the JetBoatPilot.com store. We'll put a link in the description below for you so you can find that easily. We appreciate you watching this video today. By the way, if you like this one, check this one out.